three ways to know whether someone is giving you a silent treatment or they are using silence for peace in the relationship. Number one, intention. Check करें intention क्या है. If the intention is to punish you, hurt you, manipulate you or control you or even force you to do something that you don't want to do, it is silent treatment. On the other hand, silence for peace would be like this, that if the intention is to reflect on oneself, is to take a pause from the argument that's happening, so that heat of the moment में कुछ गलत ना निकल जाए and you can come back and talk later, then that is silence for peace. Number two, communication. अब ये साइलेंट पीरियड के पहले या बाद में अगर कोई कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है रिगार्डिंग द साइलेंस, देन दैट इज साइलेंट ट्रीटमेंट. हाउ? बिकॉज यू आर लेफ्ट अनश्योर, यू आर लेफ्ट कन्फ्यूज्ड, you do not know what to do, what is the intention for this silence, and there is no explanatory communication about the silence, and that is silent treatment. On the other side, when जब आपको ये पता होता है या जब ये डिक्लेयर किया जाता है कि लेट्स गो साइलेंट, लेट्स पॉज फॉर सम टाइम, कि हम इसके बाद थोड़ी देर बाद आके बात करते हैं, अभी के लिए पॉज कर लेते हैं या कल बात करते हैं. सो यू हैव अ कम्युनिकेशन बिफोर द साइलेंट पीरियड और यू मे हैव कम्युनिकेशन आफ्टर द साइलेंट पीरियड कि मैंने इस बारे में सोचा या मैंने रिफ्लेक्ट किया एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव टू से, लेट्स कंटिन्यू टॉकिंग नाउ. नाउ दिस काइंड ऑफ अ साइलेंस इज बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर पीस इन द रिलेशनशिप. Number three, the impact on the relationship. Now, silent treatment when used over the time, it builds up a lot of resentment, hurt in the relationship, emotionally distancing the people involved in the relationship. Now, it gives a very severe damageful impact on the relationship. On the other side, when silence is used for reflection or for peace in the relationship, eventually the effect of this kind of silence is that you have clarity, you have comfort and you're confident in the relationship, you feel loved, respected and cared for, you feel safe, that even if you go silent for some time, you know you will come back and resolve. A lot of times, silence for peace is being misunderstood and misinterpreted like silent treatment. So please avoid kare, become aware of the difference between silent treatment and silence for peace and love yourself. Your world begins with you.